Beginner calisthenics class is the perfect place to start your bodyweight journey. So whether you have a background in fitness or you've never been to the gym before, or if you're just looking to start the basics of calisthenics, this class is 100% for you. We will develop the basics of your pull-up, your push-up, your dip, your squat, and your hollow body positioning in this class. All of these movements are essential for building a strong foundation to elevate your calisthenics journey as time goes on. We'll also touch on the basics, the very basics of handstand, the basics of explosive and power development, how to use bands, how to regress and progress movements, and again, how to make the journey for calisthenics completely accessible for whatever you're coming to the table with. You don't need to be fit whatsoever to take this class. You don't need to get fit to start this class. And contrary to popular belief and what the rest of the internet might be showing, calisthenics is for everybody. The vast majority of people on planet Earth that do calisthenics have to start with a foundation in these 5 basic skills in order to progress further. I don't know of a single calisthenic athlete myself that doesn't have a strong foundation in their pull-up, their push-up, their dip, their squat, and also their hollow body knowledge. So with all that said, again, regardless of your level, I hope to see you in this class, and I truly hope that this can boost your beginner calisthenic journey. Hope to see you there. Let's get some gains.